Hi, Joe Haney here from IAC Industrial Accessories Company. We have another tip of the month for you this month. We're going to do two parts, and it's about parts of the baghouse that either move or do not move. Items that move in a baghouse tend to wear out quicker due to mechanical failure, even when you're doing everything right with that baghouse. And frankly, it starts at the top, back here with the diaphragms and solenoids. Diaphragms flex when they pulse, and solenoids, when they actuate, have a moving plunger on the inside. And over time, those things can wear out mechanically, and that can be accelerated when there might be, say, water or desiccant or other debris in those items, and they have to be checked and replaced more often. The biggest one that people think about for moving parts in a baghouse is the filter bags. Same thing. When you clean filter bags, they flex, they move, and eventually they will fail due to what's called flex fatigue, even when you're doing everything correctly. So that's a part that needs to be checked more frequently. Further on down the line of the baghouse is the fan and fan motor. If your plant's operating and the baghouse is running, the fan is constantly spinning and the motor is constantly running. And if there's any buildup that hits those or debris, they can get worn out, they can get out of balance, and eventually they can just wear out, much like the motor in your car, and again, has to be replaced a little more frequently. Even in the hopper of the baghouse, you might have paddle wheel level indicators or other items that move to detect buildup. And again, those can get corroded, built up, seize up, and it may be something that needs to get replaced more frequently. Back on top of the baghouse, we also have seals around any access point in that baghouse. If you're at the bottom of a baghouse dealing with an inspection port, that may not be one that you open very often. However, the doors on top of the baghouse have seals that are going to get exposed to elements and maybe worn out each and every time that you open that access door. Believe it or not, we would recommend changing out that door seal virtually every time you open that lid or door on the baghouse. And last but not least, on the inlet of the baghouse, you may have an actuating damper. It may be associated with a motor to adjust for variable speeds, and that is going to be constantly exposed to dust in that gas stream that may or may not be abrasive based on what you are doing at your plant. If it's exposed to nasty dust, it's going to wear out more frequently. So whether it's diaphragms, solenoids, bags, moving parts on the hopper of the baghouse, or access points to get inside that baghouse, there's a lot of parts that move all the time, and those are the parts you're going to have to think about replacing more often as you own and operate that baghouse. That's part one. Next week we'll talk about ones that move less often or are static, and we'll make sure that we cover those as well. If you have any questions, please contact us. There's a number on the screen. My name is Joe from IAC. Thanks a lot.